Wait, don't buy your next phone yet, because the Pixel 10 Pro just did something that might actually beat everything else right now. Yeah, I'm serious. This is the all-new Google Pixel 10 Pro, and honestly, it's not just another upgrade. It's Google saying, we're done playing safe. And today, I'll show you exactly why this phone is getting so much attention in the US right now. Design. First thing you notice, that clean, premium design. It feels different, more refined, more confident. Slim edges, solid grip, and that signature Pixel camera bar. You either love it or you really love it. And yes, this thing feels expensive. Now let's talk about the display. Smooth, bright, sharp. Scrolling feels like butter. Watching videos, it almost feels like the screen is alive. Whether you're on TikTok, YouTube, or gaming, this display keeps you locked in. Okay, this is where things get crazy. Pixel phones are already known for cameras, but this one, it's on another level. Photos look natural, not fake. Skin tones, perfect. Night shots, insane. And the AI, oh wow. You can literally fix photos after taking them, remove objects, enhance details, even change lighting. It's like having a professional editor in your pocket. No joke, this might be the smartest camera on any phone right now. Performance. Let's talk speed. Apps open instantly. Switching between tasks, no lag. Powered by Google's latest chip, this phone isn't just fast, it's smart fast. It learns how you use it and adapts. AI features. Now here's the real flex, AI. Call screening, live translation, smart replies. This phone literally helps you think faster. You're not just using a phone, it feels like the phone is working with you. And honestly, once you use this, it's hard to go back. Battery. Battery life, solid. It easily lasts the full day, even with heavy use. And fast charging means you're never stuck waiting too long. So, is the Google Pixel 10 Pro worth it? If you care about camera, AI, and a smooth experience, this might be one of the best phones you can buy right now. But I want to know, would you choose Pixel or stick with iPhone or Samsung? Drop your answer below. And don't forget to follow for more tech breakdowns like this.